Oh my god, I'm so excited for Frosh.
Me too. I just got my nails redone for the concert.
My outfit's gonna look sick.
Oh my god. Hey guys! Hey Andrew! I just got my Frosh kit!
What? Oh my god, bring it over here.
It's got so much blue crab in it! Frosh kit!
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm feeling it. Yes.
A water bottle! Sustainability!
Oh my goodness, look at this. We have some fork and spoon sets.
More sustainability.
Amazing.
What's in here?
What? Oh my god, these
Oh my
leopard
god.
kits are
Oh
awesome.
my god.
Dry shampoo, just in case you know you wake up like 10 seconds before class.
Yes, girl. Deodorant, just in case you forget who yours is at home.
Popcorn in case you get hungry during studying.
Is this ramen noodles?
Gum in case you wake up.
Is this
and you
ramen
don't have time to
noodles?
brush your teeth.
Is this ramen?
It's ramen. It's ramen.
Ramen noodles.
Crest 3D white.
Yep, to keep it nice and curly.
Take care of your face with this charcoal scrub, endorsed by me.
A little bit more gum, some chewy, like nice fun stuff.
I know Jamoy's excited about this one.
Oh wow. Razors, of course. Everybody needs razors.
All the razors.
Just be
Laundry
safe.
soap's
Laundry
important.
Just be
soap.
safe.
Laundry soap.
Milk. We got some coffee stuff right here.
That's a cute
Awesome.
before you touch the booty.
Oh yes. We got a drink cozy, people. We got a drink cozy.
Oh,
Yes.
gee.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm going to Frosh now.
Oh, it's gonna be so much fun.
What is that? Oh my god, is this a buff?
That's a buff. That's a buff. We're all getting buffs. And some headphones.
Hey.
Ooh, what's that?
Is that a coupon?
That's a $5
think so.
coupon. Oh my goodness. For food.
Oh my god.
Don't spend
Oh my
money on
God.
food at all.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, I think this bag doubles as a laundry bag.
No.
Say what?
We can all do our laundry together.
Oh my god, it's gonna be a sick first year.
Yes.
Get your Frosh kits, everybody.
Woo!
Whoa, whoa.